If you want to play multiplayer with your friends in MECCHA Chameleon, make sure you follow these steps carefully. From the main game menu, you'll see two main options: Create Server or Find Server. If you already have your friend's server details, go to Find Server. From there, you can join either a public or private server. If you choose public servers, you'll see a full list of available matches. You can join any server you like, whether it's already in progress or still waiting for players. If you want to join a private server, go back and select Find Private Server. Here, you'll need the server name and password. Enter those details, then click Search Server. If the information is correct, the server will appear and you can join instantly. Now, if you don't have a server yet and want to play with your friends, you can create one yourself. Simply go back to the game menu and select Create Server. Then set a server name, create a password, and choose the maximum number of players, such as 4, 5, or any limit you prefer. You can also select a region tag if needed. After that, click Create Server. Once your server is created, share the server name and password with your friends so they can join you. For your friends to join, they should open the game, go to Find Server, find Private Server, enter your server name and password, and click Search Server. Your server will appear in the results, and they can join you easily. That's all for the setup. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.